Alright, so we've got potentiometers for voltage, phase angle, potentiometers for current. Except I've got a problem with the current channels. It's just a bloody mess. So anyway, it's sort of working. We've got 3 voltages on each phase. We've got 3 power amplifiers for voltage, like stepping up into transformers. Alright. We've got 3 power amplifiers for current, and it's circulating current through these resistors. Alright, so you can see the voltages, you can see the currents. Yep. Whoa, let me cut down Dave Jones just there. I was just watching something while I was loading. Alright, so we've got some voltages here, A, B and C, A, B and C. Yep. Let's update it. Yep. Looking good. So we're getting there. Yeah. Need to sort out a better enclosure, because what I'm doing now is crap and all the wires keep pulling out, which is not a good solution. Yeah. Also, question for those playing at home. This is like a 2-gang potentiometer. The problem I've got is they're so long. What am I supposed to do here? Am I supposed to cut up with a grinder or a hacksaw or something? Yeah, I might have to adjust them, because like these ones here are really short. These ones here are somewhere in between, and these ones here are massive. Yeah, I don't want to go ahead and make it all digital and get rid of all these, because I like the idea of not having a computer or not having anything attached to it, just to be able to plug it into a battery and just get it going. Yeah, so yeah, it's all happening. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, you'll see the next video with hopefully I've got some sort of better solution of mounting all this stuff and cleaning up all the wires, because it's really quite a bit of a mess. Yeah, I might have to redesign my board just to be able to take care of some of this wire mess. It's not that good. Yep, so like and subscribe.